Hi, welcome to Math, the giraffe book, as some of you call it. And you go inside, we did that. And this is the last page that we did. Now we are going to skip several pages because they aren't as important as the other things that we really do need to learn. So we're moving right along here and we're ready to start chapter 6, numbers 0 to 20. This is a little song here, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Or I did it more as a poem. You may do it with your family if you would like. We are going to move on to these 2 pages. We are at a farm here. Now, you will notice, I'm moving the camera. All right. These numbers are not the numbers up to 20 yet. They are the smaller numbers, and that's okay because it's good for us to review counting and writing. I've taught kindergarten for a long time, and if we don't go back and review once in a while, then we forget and we write a lot of numbers backwards again. So that's the plan for today. And then the rest of the week, we will be working on those tricky teen numbers. But I think we have some fun things to do with those. So here we go. Remember to mark and count. 1, 2. They already wrote 2 for you. Now that was easy, but now look, there are more sheep. So you need to mark, because if you don't mark the sheep, you don't know which sheep you already counted. So make sure you mark and count at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Do all the white sheep and the black sheep. 4, 5, 6. It helps to kind of go in an order. And keep going. Do all of them. Write the number. Do the chickens at the bottom. Same thing over here, please. Mark and count apples and cows and ducks. And then move on over. Now this, you should be able to do this without a school helper. I'll talk to you about the backwards numbers in a minute. Let's just go on to the next page to do a little more. And, remember this page? We had one like it before, but it's not exactly the same. Where we count fingers and then write the number. Now, we will also practice how to count on with this page. So count and write. That one was easy, the 2. Now you already know that when you see one hand with all the fingers, like mine, it will always be 5. You know that, don't you? Sure you do. So here you can just say 5 and then keep counting 6. Because after 5 always comes 6. Same thing here. You don't need to count these. You know it's 5. And maybe you know 5 and 5, what that number is, or maybe you count on. 5, mark and count, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you know that? 10. How do you write 10? I can see it. 1 and a 0. 10. Easy. Remember, when you see all 5 fingers, you just say 5. Ooh, what's this? No fingers up. You know the number for none. No fingers. And then just keep on going. when you finish all 3 pages, you want to check to see if you wrote any numbers backwards, because that is what we do in kindergarten sometimes. So I'm going to make a mistake. Okay, 3. I have to think real hard. Whoops, I'm doing it correctly. I want to make a mistake to help you know what to do. Okay, that's not right. So sometimes we make backwards numbers. So what I would like you to do when you're finished writing all of these numbers, you can check your own work. Get out your number line and check. Let's see, that's 6. Ooh, they look the same. It helps to put them right next to each other. It's right. 10. Is that one? Yes. 3. Oops, that does not look right. No big deal, just try again. 3 goes this way. Okay, so see how much you can do yourself now, kindergarten kids? You can check your own numbers and fix them. Please do that on this page and the other page where you wrote numbers. Okay, be the teacher, check your own work, okay? And then you could still show your family and say, look, I checked my own work. I fixed my backwards numbers. And I think you might be able to get these 2 pages in one and then add a page. Remember to go to the bottom corner and add a page. You can do it separately in your journal, but it just makes it harder for me to find it. If you can figure out add a page, it's wonderful. Otherwise, I will find it. All right, have fun writing and counting and checking. Bye now.